everybody, welcome to Scuba Diving Magazine and welcome to the Maldives in the Indian Ocean. An archipelago formed by 25 atolls and just shy of 1,200 islands. The Maldives are a scuba diver's paradise and widely considered one of the top diving destinations in the world thanks to their crystal clear waters and just countless marine life. Tropical climates, warm waters and breathtaking unspoiled desert islands above sea level and spectacular underwater landscapes with a wide range of colourful marine life from small macro life to large pelagic species for us divers to enjoy, and the real fun really comes at night, both underwater and on the local beaches. And you can experience all of this aboard one of the Blue Force fleet, who have over 25 years of experience operating diving tours in the Maldives. Specifically designed for scuba divers, each vessel, like the Blue Force 1, has everything a scuba diver needs to get the most out of their diving trip and relax in paradise on Earth. Blue Force 1 has been awarded Best Maldivian Liveaboard Boat and features everything from an outdoor jacuzzi and bar to spare compressors and nitrox membrane system. At 42 meters long, Blue Force 1 is one of the largest liveaboards in the Maldives and is made to compete with land-based hotels for comfort and amenities. Spacious premium cabins make you feel as if you're in a hotel between dives, and in the water you have a choice of several scuba diving routes, from 7-day trips to 3-week-long expeditions. With so many islands and reefs with a mixture of shallow and deep waters, both small and large species come to visit, and each of the itineraries offers their own special mix of amazing wildlife and things to see. But if you want to see sharks and rays, then the Maldives is the place to visit, and Blue Force can show you around. For more information about their fleet and their diving trips, visit blueforcefleet.com or click on the link that's just popped up here in the corner of the screen. To check out more diving destinations as well as the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews, head over to scubadivermag.com and subscribe to the Scuba Diving Magazine channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.